It has limited ammo though.
Oh yeah, fuck, I'm just like, you can hold it, yeah.
What do you mean?
Hold the mouse button and it's automatic. It's not like an Abu where you have to...
Oh, behind you!
Got him. Fucking hell, I need to put shadow play, yeah.
Oh no! What the fuck? You fucking know! What a shotgun noob. Wow.
Fucking hell!
What a piece of shit gun.
Oh, is that an enemy?
Fuck.
What the fuck?
Vad med andegrenen? Oh my god, he's fucking... Wow.
Oh.
Hilarious guy.
Don't get one shot. Okay, let's go short.
Может выйдет желтый?
Oh, one shot.
Yellow, пора.
You gotta take your time with your shots.
Yeah.
I didn't buy any spares. Oh,
Nice, yellow, nice.
thank you, man.
You, sector clear, yellow.
Here. Nice. My gun's there. Cover. Fucking hell.
Oh my god, it's so big! What the fuck? Fuck. Go fuck off, let's win one. With revolvers only. Alright, you just figure out.
What the fuck? Oh, it's like a break. It's like a deep break. That's good.
Oh. They're getting the straps on, so just be wary. They might have a strap going on.
This is fucking so broken. But how can they possibly let this get through?
I have no idea.
If it just starts instantly, then Jesus.
What? Let's get our time at 2, guys.
Yeah, guys, we need our timeout too.
Oh my god, that's a very XD.
Fucking completely broken the game.
Wow.
30 seconds to go.
No, I can't buy. Give me drop revolver, please.
No, I don't have any
Please.
left.
Drop revolver, please.
I shot all of mine, man. You have to wait till next
Thank
round.
you, my friend.
Oh my fucking Christ. Oh, you only get 1 time up per game.
Yeah. You sleep, I sleep. What are you gonna do in 1 minute?
I don't know, that's like not enough time.
Like, I have to run down the stairs and pee or something. That itself takes like 3 minutes.
Там все. All apartments A.
What the, I just fucking shot the wall and headshot him.
Hey,
Apartments AVP.
it's palace.
Palace AVP.
Oh no. I did 3 damage to him. Guy, you have 4 bullets left.
I only need 1.
Oh my god! You fucking try to play that shit, you fucking nigger.
I only need